What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today is all about my Halloween costume. Or my first Halloween costume for the weekend, which is going to be a duo costume with my friend. She's going to be a cop and I'm going to be like an inmate, prisoner type situation. But the first thing that I need to do is I am actually going to be attempting to iron the words inmate onto the front of this cropped top. So basically I printed in 3 different sizes because I wasn't sure which one was going to work, and I didn't realize until I was at the print shop that this is only meant for light colored garments. This is clearly not light. So I basically had to also buy like a permanent marker because we might have to get a little ratchet in here and kind of like draw the words on if they do not iron on. Okay, so to be honest, this might get messy because I'm realizing I'm gonna have to cut each individual letter out and like stick it down, so I kind of need to mark where I want it to go. Okay, so about like half hour later, it is complete. It's not perfect, but I mean, it's good enough. It'll do. I need to move on now into applying my temporary tattoos to give a full like prison effect. You feel me? Like there just needs to be something. It's looking too goody two shoes right now, so we're gonna do that now. And I've ordered some temporary tattoos and I'm really excited. So I've changed to put a tank top on so I can see really what I'm doing. I'm gonna actually keep the ironing board here because it works great as a table. And then I'm going to show you the tattoos that I'm thinking of using. So it's going to be kind of like a floral theme, I think. Like, you know, roses and still feminine, but like a little badass. And then I've got like a few extra ones here that I don't really know what I'm going to do with. Thinking I might put the angel wings like on my neck. I don't know. So I think that's what we're going to do. And I guess I can do both arms, like one arm with like darker flowers and then one arm with lighter flowers. So then you just apply pressure to it and you just wait a few minutes and hopefully it just sticks to the arm properly. Guys, the tattoos are done. They look pretty fancy, if I don't say so myself. And then I also did a bit down the front of the leg. I didn't do any up here because the shirt I'm wearing is going to cover this area, so there's kind of no point. But we do have a little neck one here, which is cute. And I thought that I'd have like a little cross tattoo, but I don't. So I'm going to draw like a little upside down cross on my face later tonight with some eyeliner. So we have the costume all sorted now, and now it is time for makeup and to get ready. So if you want to see how I do my prison inmate makeup, then continue watching. Alrighty, so it is time for the fun part, the makeup. Tattoos are fun, but makeup's always my favorite part. So we're just gonna dive right into it. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a really long time, like, God, it must be at least 6 months or more, so I don't know if I want to go through every single product or if you just kind of want to see what the outcome is. I think we'll just do that. I'll kind of just say what I'm doing as I go along, but I'm not really going to show every single product. So obviously, prime first, always. Especially because I'm having this makeup on for quite some time. It's earlier in the day, but it's because I need to film this video, and then I also want to take pictures and do a whole bunch of stuff before I have dinner. So yeah, It's a little inconvenient to be wearing scary makeup for long extended periods of time, but that's just what we're gonna do. This is also a primer. This is like a pore minimizing primer. So I'm just gonna do the usual like base, foundation, all of that stuff, but I think what I'm gonna do is I might give myself like a black eye effect, maybe like a cut split lip or a bloody nose, I don't know yet. So we're just gonna play it by ear. I'm actually really excited for how this is gonna turn out. I love Halloween. I love to dress up. It's like the one day of the year where you can just be a completely different person and it's acceptable. Like a different person as in like something crazy, obviously, or like a princess or like, you know, whatever. Of course you can be a different person at any time, but I wouldn't recommend you becoming a different person just to go to prison. So we actually had these costumes planned since last year, but Halloween was canceled because we went back into lockdown. And my friend and I are doing like a duo. Stella, be quiet, I'm filming. A duo matching costume. So obviously you guys already know I'm like a robber inmate. She's gonna be a cop. So it's a little cop and robber situation. So it's gonna be really cute for pictures. And I'm having like a little Halloween party over here with just some of the girls. It's gonna be really fun. I'm really excited for that. And then tomorrow night, I'll probably film that look as well. I'm gonna be doing a little costume for that too. So I'm just gonna speed this up until I get to the actual Halloween makeup part, because this is kind of just all the normal base stuff that I've already done a million times. Be such a shame to ruin a nice eyeshadow day just to give myself a black eye. It's like a painful feeling, but we're gonna do it. So it's time for the fun part. We are going to give myself a black eye. Like not literally, but you know what I mean. So I think I'm gonna start with like a cool contour shade to kind of like play up that area. Because I only want it to be the under part. I don't really want it to be like my whole eye, because I want my eye makeup to still kind of show, you know? Then we're gonna add this kind of like dark reddish color to really play up that bruised effect. Looks like a black eye to me. So now I'm gonna add some mascara, and then I am going to do like the blood effect, like the bloody lip, possibly a bloody nose, and then I'm gonna draw on the upside down cross. I'm liking where this is going so far. I think now it's time to add the blood. So I'm gonna put on the lipstick I'm planning to wear, which is like a nude lipstick, but then I think that'll kind of accentuate the bloody lip. Did I mention I freaking love Halloween? I'm pretty sure I did. Now to really kind of like solidify that split lip effect, I'm not gonna just leave it as lipstick. I'm gonna add some like eyeshadow to it to kind of make it look like dried blood. Pretty good. I don't think I'm gonna do the bloody nose because I feel like that's a bit extra. Like I feel like we've got enough going on. So I'm just gonna spray and set my face. And then we should be good to go with the makeup, and we can finish off and get ready and get dressed. Alright, so I'm gonna go get dressed and do my hair. I think I'm gonna do like a little half up, like messy bun situation. So I'll be back to show the final fit in 3, 2, 1. Okay, hopefully it's not too hard to see. I don't really have a lot of like blank wall space, so I'm just using this cabinet here. But this is the completed outfit. So I have this little top that I got from Doll's Kill, this little half crop, that's the Inmate shirt you saw me making, these shorts that I got forever ago from Tiger Mist, and then I have these black heeled Timberland boots to kind of complete that punky look. And then I'm just wearing like barbed wire looking earrings from Fashion Nova. And I just do my hair up in like a little half up, half down, kind of messy, because the main focus is really like the makeup and the top. So yeah, this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.